Today I'm going to show you the top 3 upgrades to my brewery that have helped me make better beer. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, the first thing that I did that knocked my brewery out of the park and my brewing experience out of the park was I found this website, theelectricbrewery.com, and I went to it, I downloaded plans, and then I built this electric brewery that's it's awesome. If you go to that website, check out what Cal's posted, you can build a brewery like this as well. It's I'll tell you what, it's a heat exchange recirculating mash system. What I was looking for was just a brewery that I could brew inside, in my basement, and not, I was just looking for a clean design where I wasn't spilling beer all over the place, where I didn't have to worry about gas and venting gas. I mean, right now all I'm doing is worrying about venting a little bit of excess moisture outside of the house. And this brewery has been awesome. I can hold temperatures within a degree, and it's really knocked my game out of the park. I added a Whirlpool port onto my boil kettle. And what that did was, during the last 15 minutes of my boil, I'll start the Whirlpool going. I'll run the wort through my pump, through my chiller, and then back into the boil kettle, down around the bottom of it. And what it does is it starts whirlpooling the wort, and all the hops, whatever hops you've got in there, whatever proteins, whatnot, it all kind of collects towards the center. And then at the same time, it's sterilizing the inside of your chiller. I used a hop spider like this in the past, and it did a great job as far as keeping all the hops in one spot, making sure that I didn't get any hops into the fermenter. But I felt like there was a way to do this a little bit better. And I'll tell you what, the Whirlpool really does it. Knocks it out of the park. The third thing I did was I bought a glycol chiller. Now this chiller was for sale for about 800 bucks. It had a 3-gallon capacity, a 1/3 horsepower pump on it. It's great. Where I can cool up to 4 different vessels, potentially more than that. Right now I've just got it hooked up to 2 different conical fermenters. I bought these originally from Stout, and then I repurposed them. I used some hardware, some stainless steel coil tubing that I got from Stainless Brewing, and some bulkhead fittings that I got from Stainless Brewing, and basically built a manifold that sits down inside, so the glycol goes through the manifold and then it comes back out and back to the pump. It works flawlessly. I used some small pumps, essentially I guess they're kind of like aquarium pumps that I found on Amazon. I hooked them up to a Inkbird dual stage temperature controller, and that just controls the flow of glycol. If I need to cool, it kicks on, the pumps kick on, they start pumping. If I need to heat, then I've got reptile pads on the bottom of the fermenters that just kick on and start heating. Works great. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode where we talked about 3 different things that up my brewing, and I hope it gives you some ideas. And if you've got any pointers, please shoot it my way. Happy to hear about other people's brewing ideas. Be sure to check out our food episodes. We got a lot of good stuff out there, and we'll try to put some more brewing episodes out too. So until next time, remember, drink beer, mostly craft beer, but not too much. All right.